I first came to Australia when I was, and also first time ko sa aeroplano. Go figure. So, my birthday is, so yung work ko dito sa Australia, guys, is welcome back sa ating channel. Today ay gagawa tayo ng sit-down video and it's all about 20 facts about me. This video is in collaboration with my friend here sa YouTube, Joy Fam. Gagawa din siya ng video na katulad nito at ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below para ma-check nyo after nyong manood sa video natin. Actually, nakapag-collab na kami ni Joy about 6 months ago and that was my diaper bag essentials. Kasi may baby din si Joy katulad ko na si baby Luna, but Luna is a bit older than Paris. So it's been a while kaya naisipan naming mag-collab again and ito yung napili naming topic. So if you are interested to know the 20 facts about me, please keep on watching. So I have my notes here guys para hindi ko makalimutan yung sasabihin ko. Okay, so first fact about me is my full name is Jovelyn Awitin Esin. Awitin is my mom's maiden name and Esin is obviously my dad's name. Second is my nickname. So, nung nasa Pilipinas ako guys, yung nickname ko talaga is Yang Yang. Pag pumunta kayo sa lugar namin, sa Waterfall, Balingasag, Misamis Oriental, ang alam nilang pangalan ko is Yang Yang. So, pag sinabi niyong Jovi, baka walang makakilala sa akin. Ewan ko guys, pagdating ko lang dito sa Australia, naging Jovi, yung Jovelyn ko, o, diba? Bongga. Kaya, okay na sa akin din guys kasi I like Jovi naman. Hindi ko ma-imagine yung mga Australian guys na tawagin akong Yang Yang o diba? Or Jovelyn, yung full talaga na name ko. So normally, yung tumatawag talaga ng full name ko guys is yung mama ko lang. Nung bata pa ako, pag nasa kapitbahay ako naglalaro, tapos tinatawag ako ng nanay ko, pang 10 times na, tapos hindi pa rin ako umuwi, doon na yun, tinatawag na ako ng mama ko, Jovelyn! Pauli, dire! Kaya yun guys. Pero Yang Yang talaga guys ang aking nickname. Third fact, my favorite food. So, yung favorite food ko talaga guys is bulad. So, it's tuyo. Pag may tuyo sa lamesa guys, humanda na talaga ang extra rice. Kasi, uubusin ko talaga kung anong meron na sa kaldero guys. Fourth, I am 147 centimeters tall. So, I'm not even 5 foot, guys. I'm only 4'11". Yes, guys. That's why, as you can see dito sa background ko, may mga heels ako dyan. Kasi it adds to my height. Hindi talaga ako nabiyayaan ng tangkad, guys. But at least, nabiyayaan naman ako ng ganda. Joke na to, guys, ha? Fifth, I was born in Linabo, Malaybalay, Bukidnon City. So yes guys, sa Bukidnon ako pinanganak. Doon ako nag-grade 1 before kami nag-move sa Balingasag. 6. I am wearing size 6 shoes. O, diba? Number 6, I'm wearing size 6 shoes. So yung mga shoes ko lahat guys is size 6. Minsan nag-fit sa akin yung 7 pag mahaba yung kuko ko guys. Pero most of the time talaga guys, I'm size 6. 7. I write with my right hand. So, I'm right-handed guys. Wala talaga akong nagagawa sa aking left hand. So, everything that I do, writing, eating, lahat guys, it's with my right hand. Next up, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. So, yung panganay namin guys is si Kuya Jonak. And then, I'm the second one. And then, the third one is Mingay. Mingay yung tawag ko guys sa kapatid ko na babae. Si Mimi pala siya guys. And the youngest one is Dudong, Johnny Leven. Siya yung youngest namin guys, lalaki. Yung panganay at bunso ay lalaki. Tapos yung mga prinsesa guys ay nasa gitna. Next fact about me is I weigh 52 kilograms right at the moment. It's funny guys kasi before ako nabuntis kay Paris guys, I was 58 kilograms. And then, siguro guys, nadede na lahat ni Paris yung laman ko. Kaya, ayan, naging 52 na lang. But I'm not complaining guys kasi now that I'm 52, I can wear most of the clothes na gusto ko. Kaya, yes, I'm not complaining at all. My favorite color is Dusty Rose Pink. So, hindi talaga yung pink na, hindi ganito na pink yung hot pink. Hindi rin ganito na pink yung parang light pink. Ewan ko guys, baka i-insert ko dito yung kulay na Dusty Rose Pink. Yun talaga yung gusto kong kulay guys. Next fact about me is I love dressing up. So as you can see on my vlogs, palagi kong pinapakita yung mga OOTD ko kasi I really love dressing myself. And nakikita nyo naman din kay Paris. Kahit kay Paris guys, gusto ko siyang i-dress up all the time. I don't know guys, but for me, no, kung nasa bahay lang ako guys, okay lang kahit na gisi-gisi ang aking damit, that's fine with me. Pero pag lumabas kami guys, I always make sure na presentable kami, ako, si Paris, kasi hindi mo alam guys kung sino yung mamimit mo that day, diba? And we know that first impression lasts. So, kailangan maganda yung first impression natin, diba? Bongga guys! Next one is, I love spicy foods. So, I don't eat chili. Yung talagang chili na kinakain ko kasi I know Mike and also my dad, gustong-gusto nila yung chili. Kumakain talaga sila ng sili. But me, gusto ko lang siya sa food. So, yung sabaw, tapos lagyan ng sili. Gustong-gusto kong higupin yung sabaw pag it's very spicy. Pero not to the point na kinakain ko yung sili. Next up is, I love watching documentaries. So, alam niyo yung mga documentaries, guys? Katulad ng kay David Attenborough. Attenborough? Huh? David Attenborough. Whatever, guys. Basta ilagay ko yung pangalan niya dito, guys. Oh. Hindi ko alam pag-pronounce. Yun talaga yung gusto ko, guys. Yung mga Deep Blue, yung mga Life in the Jungle, yung Life in the Sea, yung mga ganun-ganun. Boring ako guys pagdating sa mga ganun, but I really love watching it. Like, I can spend whole day watching the same crap. Next one guys is, I love singing. So, naririnig nyo naman guys sa ating mga vlog, minsan kumakanta ako ng mga nursery rhymes ni Paris, yung mga ganyan. I love singing guys, but unfortunately, singing doesn't love me. Sad fact. Everywhere ako pumunta guys at kahit anong ginagawa ko, kumakanta talaga ako. Like, it's really my hobby. May dalawa nga tayong subscribers guys na nag-request na mag-cover daw ako ng song. Sabi ko naman sa sarili ko guys, nahihiya ako kasi baka pagkanta ko, mga tagak ang mga taluto, i-blame niyo pa sa akin. But guys, seriously, I really do love singing. That is my favorite pastime. The next fact about me, guys, is I'm scared of lightning. But I think lahat naman ng tao, guys, natatakot naman talaga sa lightning. But for me, personally, natatakot ako sa lightning dahil sa experience ko before. Nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, guys, mga siguro ako nun, mga maybe 12 years old. Malapit kasi yung bahay namin sa dagat. And maraming mga, mga lubi-lubi ba. And then, that was a rainy night. And wala pa kaming kuryente nun, guys. So, lampara lang ba. And then, yung kidlat, guys, is naigo niya ang lubi next to our house. Kaya, guys, sobrang nibuto. Parang nibuto talaga ang aming bahay, guys. Yung parang lumundag yung bahay ba. Tapos yung lampara, lumundag. So, namatay. Very madilim siya, guys. Hinhanap namin yung isa't isa. Mama, mama. Kasi I think yung mama ko nasa kusina. Tapos yung sister ko nasa ibang kwarto. Ako nasa lunchroom. Kaya yun, guys. Pagtingin namin sa labas, yung niyog pala, guys. Yung coconut tree. Nag-aso-aso na siya, guys. May siga talaga siya, guys. May flame talaga siya sa taas. Kaya simula nun, guys, pag merong lightning, parang natrauma na ba ako? Kaya takot na takot ako sa lightning. Next one, guys, is very, very interesting. I first came to Australia when I was 18. But I was turning 19 na nun, guys, kasi October ako pumunta dito, and then I was turning 19 sa November. And you know, guys, that was my first time on an airplane. That's crazy, right? Pumunta ako ng Australia, guys, by myself. I was 18. And also, first time ko sa aeroplano. Go figure. Kung paano ako nakapunta dito, guys, gagawa natin ng ibang video yan. So, stay tuned for that. Okay, down to our last 5 facts about myself. So, I got my driver's license when I was 22. So, obviously, nandito na ako nun sa Australia, guys. So, dito sa Australia kasi, guys, pag you're under 25, dapat you have to go through the, meron silang hours na dapat mong ma-reach, na mag-driving lesson ka. Kaya, medyo natagal-tagalan siya, guys. Next up is my birthday. So, my birthday is 17th of November. So, yes, I'm Scorpio, guys. Second to the last fact about myself is about my work. So, yung work ko dito sa Australia, guys, is I work as a sales administrator in a technology distribution company here sa Melbourne. And may video ako about sa mga naging trabaho ko dito sa Australia, guys. So, I will try to leave that link in the description below para matingnan nyo rin. And the last one, guys, is yung last na fact about myself is my age. So, siguro may mga tao na nag-iisip, ilang taon na kaya to siya. So, I am turning 29 this year. So, I left it sa last fact about myself, guys. Kasi I know, I probably don't look 29. I look 50, right? Kasi always haggard sa atin yun. Sa mga pangyayari sa aking buhay, yung mga nakaraan ko, guys, parang stress si atin nyo and naging, ewan ko guys, haggard lang talaga sa atin nyo guys. Kaya kahit 29 pa is mukhang 50 na. Anyways guys, I am not complaining as long as I'm healthy and I am strong and I am happy. That's the main thing dito sa mundo guys. Kaya don't worry about the age. Age is just a number. So, dito na nagtatapos ang ating video guys na facts about me. Sana na-enjoy nyo and I really enjoyed filming this video kasi for me, doing this video, you'll get to know me better. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And please check out Joy's video. Don't forget to be good and if you can, be careful. Bye!